Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use S3 storage and how to integrate with Rapidbott workspace in your workspace. So basically, S3 storage, this integration will allow you to save and store, retrieve or store any data files that you want in your chatbot project. So one of the key advantages when you're dealing with APIs or webhook integrations, which involves any object oriented file types, this through this integration you can save map into your own S3 storage and retrieve the URL file. So without much delay, let's get into this integration. For this integration, we are going to use Blackblaze, which is similar to AWS service provided by Amazon. So advantages, this is also free, up to 10 GB you can get. So for this demo, I have created a workspace. Let's go to that workspace. So let's go with the integration. I currently have done the integration here. Let's delete it. Let's go with it once again. Let me clear this integration for us. So let's go. If you go to the Blackblaze website, I already created an account. So basically, if you are on in the website, if you are on the homepage, you can go with try for free. If you are there, choose the B2 Cloud Storage, which they allow the S3 compatible, like this support the S3 services. So sign up an account there, create an account. It's absolutely free, up to 10 GB you can access. So like once you sign up, you will get an interface like this. So here you need to create a bucket first. So let's go and create a bucket for the integration. So here you need to provide a name for your the storage. So let's go with Rapidbott demo. So I've given a name. Now I think this all things you can leave as it is. Just create a bucket first. So once you create the bucket, you can see the endpoint. Just copy this endpoint from here. Just copy, and here you need to provide the domain HTTPS. This is HTTPS. Then paste this value endpoint. Now we got the endpoint. Now we need the key, secret key, and bucket name and region. So in order to get all this thing, what we have to do is go to the application keys, and let's create a new key. Add a new application key. Let's go with the Rapidbott demo. Okay, just go with new demo. So these things, no need of touching. Let's leave it as it is. Let's create the new key. When you do that, you will get the key here. Let's copy this key and let's paste it here, and again go back to the tab and let's get the application key. This is the secret key. Let's paste it here. The bucket name, that which we created just now, go back to the buckets and copy this name. Just paste it here. The region, either you can find it like in the endpoint also it's mentioned, but it's better go to your settings, click on my settings, scroll down. You can see that the data is stored in region US East. Let's copy this value, copy this and paste it here, and let's click on the save button. So if you are getting this warning message, it is because the storage which you created is private, it's not public. So I forgot to do that. Let's go back to our buckets. Now this is a bucket we just created, Rapidbott demo. Go to the bucket settings. See, it is the files in the bucket are in private. So make it public, then only the application, our Rapidbott platform, can access it. Let's update it. Again, let's go back and let's hit on the save button. It should be verified now. Yeah, it's verified and data saved. Now let's do a quick look at the integration that we've done. Let's test it out. Let's go to the builder, chatbot builder. Let's edit the flow. So let's try uploading an image. Let's see if the image integration is working or not. So I'm gonna upload an image to the chatbot now. Yeah, let's hit on the save button. So now the image is uploaded. If you go to the URL, you can notice that it is pointing to the S3 storage which we created. So that means it's overwriting our object server to your uh, like cloud storage now, S3 storage now. So that means like, so now the integration is working. So we can also check that. If you go click on the browse files, you can see a folder created here. If you go inside, you can find the file. So the file is getting uploaded to the bucket storage. So now from the Rapidbott workspace or whatever bots you are creating, if you have the active S3 storage, that means it is pointing to your S3 server now. So data is getting saved into your storage. So one of the advantages, if sometimes if our S3 our server, like object servers failed or something on maintenance or something, we take it down for maintenance or something, in that case, in your chatbot, if you are using any resources, any file type or any media resources, if you are using, it will be pointed, it will be automatically pointed to your S3 storage, because once the integration is verified, you are done it will be overwriting. So that way you can store all the data to your S3 storage. Now let's have a quick look at it, getting a data that pointing to S3 storage, how to save into S3 storage. For example, let's go with the OpenAI integration. Here we have the text to speech integration. So this integration at the moment, it needs a object storage service. So it needs an object storage to store this file. So we have already have S3 storage, so let's go with that. So let's give an input. So I'm typing I'm giving an input to the integration. So here you can see, let's go with the audio, like let's have this and the format of the audio, let's keep it mp3 now for now. Let's test it out. So we here you can see it's going to our the integration. So we're getting the URL directly. Let's see this URL. Let's check this URL.
Hi there, welcome to Rapidbott.
So now it is working fine. So in your project, this way you can map into any variable and you can save into this audio file into a variable. So that's it. That's it for the video. So if you have any questions or if you have any issues with integration or integrating this S3 cloud storage, let us know, or get in touch with our support team, or feel free to comment below in this video. Okay, that's it for the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.